This video is intended to provide a summary of our preliminary site inspection dated 1st of August 2018. This pool was constructed about 30 years ago and have gone through several renovations throughout its service life. The current condition, as shown here, are due to water penetration that has caused spalling of concrete in certain areas and the perimeter of this retaining structure to develop extensive cracks. From outside looking in, you can see that water have penetrated this structure and causing a huge pool of water that is collected beneath this structure. And from my understanding, the L pool loses about 1 inch of water every hour. Hence, you see this large amount of water have collected beneath this structure as shown on this video. And here we're walking to the other side of the pool and this retaining structure, and again you can see the amount of cracks that have developed, and some part of this concrete has spalled and fallen off.
These are all spalted already. You know?
Most of this leaking crack can be repaired with Krystol Leak Repair System, which is a permanent crystalline waterproofing solution for repairing cracks, holes, joints that are found in concrete. It reliably stops water flow even under high hydrostatic pressure and outperforms injection system. In our past 15 years experience as concrete repair specialists, we've been tasked to repair some of the most challenging cracks. And thanks to Krystol Leak Repair System, we could stop most leaking cracks and at the same time provide a 10-year warranty for our clients. And from this part of the video, you can see the extensive calcite deposits on this concrete structure, and this must have been there for years. And on this slow down shot, you can see the amount of water that is leaking from the L pool on a daily basis. We will do our best upon closer inspection to provide a more detailed and comprehensive report once we have the proper permit to enter into this basement structure and take some of photos and video to show all of you. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.